Do you want to scale your dropshipping business without getting overwhelmed? Or maybe you're looking for ways to stand out in the competition? In this video, let's learn how to automate your dropshipping process step by step. Hey everyone, I'm Jean from DSers, and today we're going to talk about automation. Even in dropshipping, automating tasks has a lot of benefits. Think about time saving, error reduction, scalability, and operation streamlining. We're going to cover all that. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy our content, and let's learn more about it now. Let's start with automating your product sourcing. Product and supplier research can be time-consuming, right? Let's see how to improve that. The first step to starting your dropshipping business is about identifying the right products to sell. There are a couple of ways that you can do that. 1. Use Google Trends or social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram to spot new trends. 2. Search keywords on supplier platforms like AliExpress to find hot-selling products. If you want to learn more about product research, you can check our video, How to do Dropshipping Product Research. We've put the video link in the description for you. Once you've identified the product you want to sell, the next step is to find reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress and import products into your dropshipping store. First, you should look for suppliers with good ratings, competitive pricing, and fast shipping times. We also made a video about how to find the best suppliers on AliExpress. The link is in the description if you want to check it. After you found a good supplier for the product that you want to sell, you have to import the product to your store. That's where automation comes into play. You basically have two ways to import a product, a manual one and an automated one. Let's have a look at both. Method 1, manually import products to your store. For that, you have to first copy all the product's information. It means you have to manually copy the product description, images, and details. You need to upload these into your store platform such as Shopify or WooCommerce and set your pricing strategy accordingly. This can take time, and you have to be very attentive as not to make any mistakes. Once you have created the product, you will need to monitor stock and prices. The main downside to manually importing a product is that you need to continuously monitor stock levels and price changes from the supplier. It will be time-consuming. Method 2, automatically import products via DSers. DSers is a dropshipping tool that integrates with AliExpress, which can help you automate your dropshipping process. You'll first need to install DSers. Simply search for DSers in the Shopify App Store and install it. After installing DSers, you can connect it to your store and to AliExpress. Once DSers is connected to your store and AliExpress, you can then search for products on AliExpress and import them with one click. With this one click, the product description, images, and pricing will be imported automatically. DSers also allows bulk importing of product, which is a huge time saver. Another great advantage of using a tool like DSers to import your product is the automated updates. DSers has the ability to automatically update product stock level and prices, ensuring that your listings stay accurate without the need to manually adjust them. This makes managing your inventory seamless and less prone to errors. Click DSers' free trial link in the comment to give it a try yourself and let us know what you think. One of the most time-consuming parts of managing a dropshipping business is the order processing and tracking. Here again, some solutions are available to help you with that. Instead of manually copying and pasting your customers' information and order details from your store backend to your supplier's platform, you can automate this process. Automating order fulfillment ensures that customers' orders are processed quickly and accurately. Once an order is placed, tools like DSers will automatically forward customers' orders to the supplier. Then the supplier will package and ship the product to the customers. Tracking is also very important to mitigate customers' inquiries and make sure your products have been sent successfully. Checking that manually for each product of each order will take hours. Tools like DSers can automatically track orders and update tracking information. Giving accurate tracking status has a couple of benefits. 1. It gives you timely access to package status. 2. It reduces delivery delays. And 3. It gives feedback to the customers in time. You can even create your own custom store tracking page on DSers. This page will be applied to shipping notification emails. Marketing is yet another part of your dropshipping business that you can automate. Let's check what you can do. Email campaigns are essential for re-engaging with customers, upselling, and promoting new products. Tools like MailChimp can help you automate your email marketing process. It allows you to do a couple of things. 1. Set up automated email campaigns for abandoned carts, welcome emails, and promotional campaigns. And 2. Segment customers based on their behavior and send personalized product recommendations. This can help a lot in increasing your overall revenue with minimum work. Managing social media accounts can be time-consuming, but tools like Hootsuite can automate post scheduling, helping you maintain a consistent online presence. It will help you to do this. 1. Automate social media posts. With it, you can schedule posts for Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok ahead of time and let the tool handle posting for you. And 2. It tracks engagement and adjusts campaigns using built-in analytics. This helps you not only in saving time, but also be better organized. Good customer service is critical for building trust, and automation can help you provide fast and efficient responses. Chatbots are an effective way to automate your customer support. A great tool we recommend is Tidio. Chatbots like Tidio can automatically respond to frequently asked questions like product availability, shipping times, or order statuses. It assists customers with their order 24/7 without you needing to reply. It's quite easy to set up and use Tidio. 1. Create a Tidio account and install the Tidio plugin on your website like Shopify. 2. Set up the chatbot by customizing the chatbot's greetings, FAQ response, and message flows. Once it's live, you can basically let it run and take care of most of the common requests, saving you a lot of valuable time. As we saw, the main benefits of automating part of your dropshipping business comes down to saving time and simplifying things for you. Product sourcing, order processing, marketing, and customer service can all benefit from automation. Some of that automation will also help you with diminishing your potential errors, which in turn can help you save money. We hope that you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments if you tried automating part of your business and how you feel about it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss any of your future videos. Until next time, happy dropshipping.